Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top tips on how you can automate workflows in Taskade to get the most out of your team's productivity and also maximize automation. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and create a new template. To do this, you can either create a blank project and choose from a few pre-built templates or tap on creating a template. Once you click on that, you can add tasks and blocks and totally customize the template that you want to make so as to ensure that it matches all the workflows so you can use it over and over again in different campaigns as well as projects. We usually recommend adding recurring tasks in these templates so you can have the same tasks automate themselves into your project after a set period of time. After you're done, click on Use Template and a copy of the template will be imported onto your project and the template will also be saved. Now within Taskade, there are also various ways you can access your template to edit or to choose them. First off, from your workspace, you can directly head over to the template section where you can copy template as well as use it. Second, you can also edit existing templates in a workspace while creating a new project. On the top menu that pops up, it shows you the existing templates and you can select them from there. This makes the automation process extremely simple and lets you get the most out of your workflow. Your team can have a bunch of templates automated for various recurring tasks that need to be done over and over again, and all the works only effectively needs to be put in once. This makes Taskade really one of the best applications for productivity for individuals and teams out there, and we would highly recommend everyone to give this a shot. If you still haven't tried Taskade out, what are you waiting for? Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below, and we'll be back with a new video soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.